Alrighty, there we go. GARVEE sent me a 20-gallon low-profile oil drain pan. All right, this is one of the ones that you see on Amazon where you can roll underneath the car. GARVEE was kind enough to let me try one out. So let's see what we got here. But I'm kind of curious, kind of wanting one of these because the little oil drain pan that I have now holds maybe like 10 quarts. This is gonna hold way more. It's gonna be kind of cleaner too. And it's gonna store really well because I store my little drain pan underneath my desk over there. So hopefully this just wheels right in. So yeah, it's gonna take some assembly. It does, I think this one does have a battery. So if it has a battery, I'm gonna start charging it up right now. Interesting. All right. So yeah, it has a pump to pump out the old oil into your containers so you can dispose of them, which is pretty neat. And it just plugs in the wall. It's not a battery. Cool. So yeah, I'm gonna have a link in the description box to the exact one. I know the prices on these things were like $150 all the way up to 300 bucks. Okay, so the instructions really don't have much for pictures except for this one here. It gives you 1 through 8 steps. Assuming this goes here. I'm gonna need one of these. Need 2 of these. This is gonna go here. This is what the tape is for. I'm gonna give you a lot of tape. So the idea is that you can pump the oil out of it and into your disposable container through here, making it easy and mess free. So the screen is so you can just pretty much drop like the oil drain right on there and it won't go anywhere. And clean it off. Huh, cool. I'll give this thing a shot. Oil change on the Sequoia. Just back here like this. Cool. So yeah, this will allow you to do that and just drain everything right in here. This thing is 20 gallons, so it's gonna hold like 10 oil changes. Cool. Drains. Go ahead and show you what I got. I got one of these magnetic drain plugs here. Oh yeah. Yeah, so this is stainless steel also. So it looks pretty nice. 100 Sequoia oil filter. And we have this little funnel that it has right here that funnels the oil. Use a hose like this, and then we're gonna point it at the oil drain. that. Cool. We'll just undo this guy here. Put these guys on hand tight so it'll come right off. Just crack it loose. And it'll start draining the oil down in the pan. Okay, there we go. Cool. This guy off here, then we just go like this. Boop. Let that guy just drip. Brake on. Won't roll anywhere. Cool. Plenty of storage for oil. Put it in like this.